enough and too. Enough goes after adjectives and adverbs. I can't run very far. I'm not fit enough. You can't say not enough fit. Let's go. We've waited long enough. Enough normally goes before nouns. We have enough money. We don't need any more. There weren't enough chairs. Some of us had to sit on the floor. We use enough alone, without a noun or adjective. We don't need more money. We have enough. To and enough. Compare to and not enough. You never stop working. You work too hard. More than is necessary. You're lazy. You don't work hard enough. Less than necessary. Compare too much, many, and enough. There's too much furniture in this room. There's not enough space. And there's too many people and not enough chairs.